Today is not just about bedroom reset, it's about restoring peace. Hi family, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, welcome. I'm Pascaline. In this page we do cleaning, motivation, decoration, transforming a house to a home, let's say it like that. As a woman, a wife, a mother, I believe our home is more than just a place to live. It's a sanctuary, a place where grows, where rest and is found, and where God's presence is felt. We've been in this house for 6 months now, and in this bedroom, I'm not even sure already what I want, really how I really want to decorate this. I have got some ideas. Some ideas have come where to find what I will do and everything. But I'm still thinking. As you can see, I changed the color. This bedroom was all green and that wasn't something I wanted. So I changed it to this white and blue, gray blue. I'm not sure if it's what I want anymore, but for now it's what is here. And every day I'm adding something. So today I decided, with the snow outside, I decided to really clean the house, like clean my mattress. Did you know your mattress is where you have more dirt in on your bed? I know a lot of us we change sheets once a week or twice a week, or I don't know how often you change your sheet. Me, it's once a week, and once a month I will do this. I will deep clean my bed. Like I have that flat blue mattress on top because my husband has back pain issues, so that mattress is very good to, I don't know how to call it. If I find the name, I'll put it in the comment, but it helped him with the back. He's sleeping better on it. So I will clean that, and I will clean the mattress itself. I'm using baking soda and all-purpose cleaning, and then I will vacuum. As I clean, I'm also releasing stress, worries, and yesterday burdens. I'm choosing peace over chaos, order over overwhelm. I'm very intentional about what stay in my space. Just like in life, everything doesn't deserve a place in your season. A clean home isn't about perfection, it's about intention. It's about honoring what God has blessed you with. Yesterday we started work in this bedroom, my husband and I, with Declutter, because we had to change I don't know if it's a dresser. It's not a dresser. It was just a TV stand we had on the floor, and decided to hang the TV up and place a dresser right there. So we decided to declutter that space. We had paper we didn't need no more. When we were moving, we just packed everything and bring it. And I think this snow day at home was just a sign to clean and get everything out. I wanted to show you this lamp. I thrifted this lamp and transformed it to this color. This is my bedside, and on my husband's side, I bought the lamp at it was Home Sense. I got it from Home Sense, and it was just one, and I was like, I'll get something that match it and transform it. And I was so happy that I did this. I found this lamp at a thrift store for $10, brought it home using baking soda and paints, and to give it that texture, and spray paint it, and they match. Like they came together from the store. I was so happy that I did it. Tell me in a comment if you want me to show you some of those DIY stuff that I'm doing, because I'm doing a lot. I go to the thrift store sometime because you're gonna find pretty stuff in there, and I was like, let me just go and get something. We decided to put a small dresser here because I want to put a mirror. I don't really need a dresser here because I have a big dresser in a closet, and this one is just for my husband to put socks, underwears, PJs, and things like that. And I'll place a big mirror that I didn't find the one I want yet. And I changed the TV to a smaller TV because I had a big TV here. I was like, it was too much. So I decided to put a smallest TV and that small dresser, and I will add a mirror and maybe a plant in a corner to fill that gap. Opening the window lets fresh air remind me that every day is a new beginning. The Bible tells us that God makes all things new, and I like to reflect that even in my space. Resetting my bedroom helps me reset my mind. When my space is clean, my heart feels lighter and I can show up better for my family and for myself. The mattress, it wasn't really wet because I vacuumed it and cleaned and everything, but I always let it sit for at least 8 hours. So I let it sit for the whole day, and I made the bed at night. I washed the bed skirt, everything, all the beddings. This is really a big reset. Next time you see me on this bedroom, we'll have to decorate it, bring some touch, bring some colors, because now it's just plain. The bed, the nightstand, and a TV. It's not even, the curtains are not up yet. It's time to make the bed. I put all the mattress back, the mattress protector, and I put the fitting sheet up. And now I just remember that I had to put my skirt back too. I get it washed. I like this bed skirt because this is not even a bed. I think I just have a head and the bottom and a mattress on top. Let's call it a bed, but I like to cover those legs. Let's call it like that, those bed legs. So I use this skirt to do it. It helped me a lot. I don't want to sit down there. I don't want to sit under my bed. It's good that it's open. It's easy for me to vacuum and clean under there. But I felt practical to put a skirt. So if you have a bed open at the bottom like me and you want to cover it, just use a skirt. I got this skirt, I think it was at Home Good last year. So it's a very good material. It's 100% cotton, so I can just wash it and put it back. It's easy to get washed it was well in the machine, so it was very practical for me to just wash it and put it back at the bottom there, and the bed looked fabulous. Thank you for watching through the end. If you are new here, welcome, and don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to like the video and share. From next time, God bless you. Have a very good start of the month. February is my wedding anniversary month, so I decided to add some reds. It reminds Valentine's Day, and I have a bedroom that's not good, that is well fixed, and I love it.